Yo, 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 yo. What's up? What's up? What's up? Chef Young right here. Alright, guys. Today I'll be taking you on a cruise, right? Holland River, Bradford, Canada. Guys, just look how beautiful the place is. I'm sorry I didn't bring my drone with me, because I know I would get some awesome aerial shots, right? But anyway, we're still gonna have a lot of fun.
Even the days we left behind, and now my heart is done with hoping. It's time for us to draw the line. Yeah, I was good, how I gave you all my patience. Didn't think that you would get into temptation. I was wrong and my heart can't take it, so I'm leaving you behind.
Definitely a place to relax and ease your mind. Just take in nature, you know? Alright guys, this cruise wasn't even planned for, right? I'm not even prepared for this. Only thing I have on me is my phone. I don't carry my gimbal, I don't carry my drone, nothing at all, really. Right, but alright, here what? Just let me drive you around the property and show you what's the place looking like before I go on the yacht.
Even the days we left behind, and now my heart is done with hope. It's time for us to draw the line. Yeah, I was good, how I give you all my patience. Didn't think that you would give into temptation. I was wrong and my heart can't take it, so I'm leaving you behind. I'm leaving you behind.
If you happen to live anywhere in the Toronto area and just want to get away from the city, this is definitely a place to check out. Trust me. Peaceful, you know, you get a sense of mind out here, trust me. Look at the place. Just look. Trust me, it's beautiful.
He loves, she loves.
Alright guys, now for the fun part.
No love, no. Feel love, pull up, come up, we fall, we lost it all. No.
Wow, this is so beautiful. Just look at the place.
Got you close.
Gorgeous, trust me. Beautiful Holland River, right, Canada. Definitely a place you need to check out.
For the time, stay in bed, leave I'm dead. He loves, she loves, we love, feel love, no love, no love, no. Feel love, pull up.
Trust me guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, this is fun. Trust me, I enjoy this.
Time, oh, 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 stay
myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down